Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we have a Gaggia Anima XL Espresso machine. This machine only needed a tune-up, but the customer reported that the machine was not detecting any beans on the grinder. We tested out, deep cleaned the grinder, and we couldn't find the problem. So could have been just that it was stuck. The right now is working perfectly fine. We definitely did a tune to the machine, clean the gasket and the screen inside the group head, as well as cleaning the group head and giving a descaling and a cleaning cycle on the machine. So, as you can see, we grinded the coffee beans very well, and the coffee is looking great. Really good color, good foam. We usually test the steamer and hot water, but since we don't have the adapter, the customer didn't brought us, we cannot do it. But we can probably try to. Yeah, as you can see, it definitely asks for it.
So I'm not sure what parts you're looking to have replaced.
Steam is gonna come out through here. Since he doesn't have an adapter, it will just go. Yep, like that. But as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. So I'm gonna stop it right now. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this. Have a good day.